Dollar note, high volume everyday currency. Massive polymer rolls feed ultra high speed printing presses. Sheets move rapidly, optimized for durability.
Simple but robust security windows embedded in line. Fast inspection systems validate clarity. Speed dominates design.
Offset presses apply warm color layers. Ink density is optimized for wear resistance. Visual recognition is instant.
Optically variable elements react to light. Window features grow more complex. Forgery resistance increases.
Multiple ink layers align perfectly with windows. Registration accuracy is absolute. Authority becomes visible.
Complex transparent windows and microstructures embedded. Advanced inks react dynamically to light. Counterfeiting becomes impractical.
Molten metal is rolled into long strips. Thickness is controlled tightly. Uniformity is essential.
High-speed presses punch circular blanks. Thousands per minute fall into containers. Coins are born as shape.
Golden-colored blanks pass through inspection lines. Surface defects are rejected. Quality begins early.
Distinct alloy composition produces unique color. Weight and diameter are verified. Identity starts here.
Steel-based blanks move at extreme speed. Designed for durability, not prestige. Volume is priority.
Coin edges are milled precisely. Grip and identification are engineered. Function meets design.
Distinct polygonal edges are formed. Machines verify geometry. Recognition is tactile. Hydraulic presses strike designs into blanks. Thousands of tons of pressure applied. Metal flows into detail. Edges are refined and finished. Security and aesthetics combine. Coins become final form.
Machine vision checks size, weight, and strike quality. Defects are removed instantly. Zero tolerance enforced.
Pallet secured. Move it out, we are on schedule.
This is the backbone of daily commerce.
A nation's economy is boxed and ready.
Clicking for any norm. Money is not uniform. Conveyor systems carry mixed denominations together.
Money is not uniform. Despite similar size, their life cycles are completely different. Uniform appearance hides unequal stress.
Engineering for constant contact. Surface coatings are reinforced. Ink adhesion is tested under friction. Longevity is designed, not assumed. They must balance durability with advanced security. Failure here destabilizes daily commerce. These notes carry economic rhythm.
The UV signature matches the database specs. Confirmed. The watermark is completely clear, ready for scanning.
The complexity of these microstructures makes replication nearly impossible.
Indeed. The layered defense strategy is proving...
As you can see, mass production requires different systems.
We have multiple philosophies running simultaneously.
Currency begins as raw material. No denomination exists yet. Only potential at scale.
We can separate segregation by value. Low, mid, and high denominations are separated before formation.
Thickness defines purpose. Low denomination film is thinner and faster moving. High denomination film form thicker and slower. Durability begins with mass.
The material phase is complete. Money is ready to be marked.
Low denomination films receive heavy counterfeiting films.
Polymer films stabilize under controlled temperatures. Different denominations cool at different rates. Molecular memory is erased. Consistency is enforced.
Polymer films are rolled into massive drums. Each roll corresponds to a specific denomination. Thick.
Security is structural, not decorative. Nothing is added later. Security begins inside the material.
Is not decoration. It is authority applied by pressure.
Base colors flood the polymer surface evenly. Low denomination sheets move fastest. High denomination sheets slow for precision. Color establishes identity.
Misregistration triggers removal. Accuracy defines legitimacy. Printed sheets pass through controlled heat and airflow. Ink bonds permanently with polymer. Different denominations require different curing times. Stability is calibrated. Low-value notes prioritize speed. Mid-value notes balance complexity. High-value notes maximize security layers. One factory runs multiple print strategies. Inspection thresholds differ by denomination. Low-value notes allow microscopic cosmetic variants. High-value notes allow none. Value tightens tolerance.
Reroute auxiliary power to sector Gamma 9.
Acknowledged. Diverting now. System holding steady.
Fault neutralized.
Zero defect is not a goal. Millions of notes flow without interruption. Excellence is routine. Different denominations follow different cutting layouts. Size, orientation, and window alignment vary. Machines adjust.
Integrity. Errors are detected instantly. Counting becomes certainty. From cutting to containment, control is absolute. Money is no longer manufacturing output. It is national supply.
Rejected notes are separated by denomination. Higher value rejects trigger additional verification layers. Value determines scrutiny. Even waste is prioritized.
Shredded polymer is treated to prevent reuse. Pigments and features are rendered inert. Counterfeiting risk ends permanently. Security completes its cycle.
Verification complete. Volume, mass, and time of destruction confirmed. No discrepancies found.
Every rejection event is logged automatically. Batch numbers, denominations, and timestamps align.
Verify identical data streams. Redundancy ensures integrity. Trust is multiplied.
Manufacturing, inspection, and destruction operate as one loop. Every step feeds the next. Security is systemic. Weak links are engineered out.
Only perfection enters the economy. Accepted banknotes move forward alone. All rejects are gone. Nothing compromised remains. Trust is preserved.